Well, this is the angle crank for my table saw blade, and you can't really tell, but it has cracked, and on top of that I lost the nut that goes inside there, so I need to make a new table saw handle, and I think I'm going to just use this piece of square tubing, and hopefully I can reuse this crank. So we'll start by taking two measurements. One is the widest spot of this, which is 1/2 inch plus a couple thousandths, and then the narrowest spot, which is 0.4 inches. So the first thing we'll do is see if we can get this knob out of there without destroying that lock ring. Okay, that didn't break, so I think we'll be able to reuse that. And that is plenty long enough to go through there. We're good. So what we're going to want here is a 0.4 inch tall hole that's 1/2 inch wide with a flat spot on one side. And there's a lot of ways to do that. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to drill a slightly smaller hole and file out to the 1/2 inch by 0.4 inch dimensions. Okay, now I can get on to the project that had me wanting to tilt the saw blade to begin with.